Nothing says pudding like some avocados. You're gonna take 2 avocados that you've already pitted. Dump it in. There we go. All right, we got all our avocados there. Next, we got our cocoa powder. We're gonna put 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
This is unsweetened, right?
Is that my 3rd or my 4th? I think
That's your 2nd.
that was my 3rd.
Oh. Oops.
4.
Guess I just like it chocolatey.
Yeah, you do. And 5.
Ooh.
Keep it moving right along. Like I said, this is going to be a healthy pudding. I'm going to do 6 tablespoons of coconut milk to see how this is going to turn out. Then we got our maple syrup. Very important. You don't want to have the sweet part of it. I'm just going to pour. But you want to do about 6 tablespoons worth. Let's say that's it. About a teaspoon vanilla extract. Okay, now that we have all those, one little final touch. Just a little pinch of sea salt. And we're gonna put it on, put the lid on there. Get this guy. Lock it in. Make sure it's turned on. Then we're going to puree it. And we're going to pulse it till we get the right consistency that we want. And y'all thought only the ladies could do this stuff. Pulse it like a man. Yeah. Let's shake it up, see what's going on with it. It may be healthy, but it's still manly. Don't get me wrong here. Okay. Okay, we're getting a better consistency here. Let's just scoop it down. You're gonna like this. Talking to you guys and my wife, but more my wife, because yeah.
That sweet tooth.
Making this for her. It really does smell good. Wow. I'm so, wow. Okay. We're going to put just a tad more because we have it about where we want it. Lock it in. Lock it down. And what? Pulse. All right, I think we're about ready. Oh yeah, look at that. We got pudding, y'all. Avocado chocolate pudding, wow. Okay, so let's serve it up. Into our very masculine little glass jars here. All right, we got a nice little pudding cup ready for you. Okay, then we're going to add on some finishing touches. Just raspberry and chocolate seems to go well together.
Yum.
Y'all, I'm not good as some of these ladies on the internet doing this stuff, so just bear with me. There we go. That's about as pretty as I got it. And then my favorite part.
Oh yeah.
We got, and that whipped cream is coconut whipped cream. So this whole thing is a non-dairy treat for all you people who are trying to look for non-dairy treats. Let's try it. Wow, that actually is not bad. That is not half bad. Hold on, let me get another try just without the... That's not bad. If that If that cocoa powder we used wasn't expired, this would taste really good.